Today I'm going to teach you how to turn this annoying dialog box off every time you start the Mac. So people don't want to update their office sometime, and they don't know how. Whenever you start the Mac, you will be greeted with this notification. Just close it down, close your office, and open Finder. Go to Go option, Computer, Macintosh HD, Library. Choose the list view. Then find the folder, name launch agents, launch demons, and the last one, privilege helper tools. Now you have to update the com.microsoft.update.agent.plist. Just move it to win, put your password, and then again auto update helper list, put your password, and then again com Microsoft helper, put your password, and you are done. It will not bother you again whenever you start the device.